took a lifetime to find meaning in this decay. Red hands now washed white, keep the darkness at bay. Penitence for your name, unknown the whole time. Repeated lines for your sake, to know your home in the sky. Oh, the locust fled, those hours are wasted, but now you've tasted life, and you're fine. He will restore those years of strong welcome. Scales were dry, would we have anything to conjure? When our bodies turn to ashes, a soul forever to wander. And you search the whole world for meaning, an empty voice stretched thin. But when you called out for healing, your name was written, every burden erased, entered. The locust fled, those hours are wasted, but now you've tasted life, and you'll find He will restore those years of stone. Oh, the locust fled, those hours are wasted, but now you tasted life, and you'll find He will restore those years of stone. Welcome home, welcome home, welcome home, welcome home. Let up your weary head and let your soul find rest. Our faithful Father, He was waiting for you till the end. You'll never be alone. He took your heart of stone. All of your worries, you can lay them on Him. Welcome home. Yeah, baby, sing it. What do you got there?
A noodle.
A noodle?